there's an attorney in my office building. I love her. She is, I mean, like, she's just funny. She is this has got to be the crappiest job in the world.
Okay.
But she's a family, divorce. Yeah. Family attorney, divorce attorney,
yeah.
whatever.
Divorce and children issues.
And she sits there and she says, you see her on the phone in the morning in the parking lot. And I overheard bits and pieces of a conversation she was having. And she was telling this lady, hey, like, maybe it's you. And this is her client. Maybe it's you.
Okay.
And she hangs up the phone. I'm holding the door open for her. And she goes, people have no self-realization. They always think it's somebody else's fault. And the bottom line is, I look back at 80% of the things went wrong in my life. Guess whose fault it was? Well, me.
Yep. Me too.
Me. And that's the whole thing. So if you're John Gruden and you're complaining about the offensive players, well, you're the guy who recruited. You're the guy who's supposed to be building the team. Why do they suck?
Exactly.
If you're the rainmaker on the team and you don't think that your support is strong, well, why don't you take a vested interest in getting the support that you feel like you need instead of lobbing it over us and making it somebody else's problem?
Yep.
You remember there was that one book called The 1 Minute Monkey. You just take your problem and you throw it on somebody else, and it's like fix it.
Okay. I haven't heard that one.
Monkey on your back, whatever.
Okay.
The monkey on your back, and the 1 Minute Manager or something. 1 Minute Manager was it?
Oh, the 1 Minute Manager. Okay.
1 Minute Manager. I'm sorry.
That sounds familiar.
But it was very good about throwing the monkey on somebody else's back. Now it's your problem, right? And but that's the whole. I think, look, if there's, if that's the issue, that you're never satisfied, well, take ownership and what you're not satisfied and help make it bigger.